What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another Fridge Financials video. And in today's video, we are focusing on just another weekly net worth update. So if you are excited for today's video, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and as always, turn on those notifications for all future uploads. You might hear it in my voice. It's on its way out. I don't know what is going on. I don't know what's come over me, but we're going to kind of keep going with it, going with the flow, and hope that these cough drops and medication are going to help me power through for Fridge Financials content. This is how much I care about the channel, so feel free to like the video as you hopefully are able to understand what we're talking about here. We're going to go right into a net worth update. We've had a rough week in the net worth overall. And taking a look at the managed account, we are now back under $50,000, and we will be making also a follow-up video for members only of breaking down every investment within these portfolios. So if you're not a member, feel free to take a look at the memberships. Check it out on the YouTube page, Fridge Financials. It is there for you. But we are down right now on the week in the managed portfolio. But again, we cannot always have great weeks. I would love to have that, but unfortunately, we do not. But that's okay. Into the Roth IRA that we go. I don't know what this is. Oh, there we go. So into the Roth IRA, that one is also down as well. At one point, we were over $20,000. Now we are back under that. Still up 40% overall. Absolutely amazing. And still can't complain about the returns. I haven't put a dollar into the Roth yet. We have a wedding coming up, obviously, this year. So we have a lot more money going into that first, and then we'll hopefully start putting more money into the Roth after that is all taken care of. The the health and savings account up again about $4,200, not too bad. Just invested in the S&P 500 and QQQ ETFs. Nothing crazy in that one as well. The individual account is the one that took a pretty big beating as of this last week. And the reason why that really happened is when you take a look at the video from the members, it's mostly it's the options chain, right? And when you're buying options, when you have options, the prices fluctuate. Some options went against us in the last week or so with earnings and stuff. Some were for us. So it's been all over the place. It is down a lot, but, again, it's all about how you get filled in the options chain, and we'll talk about some ones that we have for examples. But again, that one is down a little over about $1,000 of this week. So pretty tough week there in the returns. Crypto still down overall here, still sitting lower. Gold is pushing all-time highs. Silver, same thing. And then crypto, Bitcoin, specifically Bitcoin, is falling behind. But again, I'm still doing this $6.70 investment there every single day. So we're going to kind of wait and see. We'll probably do an updated video later on about that in due time. The 403B account is actually up compared to the other ones, which is kind of interesting because the markets have been sideways for the week, maybe a little bit red. So the fact that it's doing pretty well there is actually very, very nice. Peer-to-peer, about the same, nothing too crazy there. Again, that's all about lending money to other people who have loans, whether it's consolidations, whether it's home improvement loans, whatever it is, you can fund it with like $25. Haven't even put more money into it yet, but hopefully we'll be doing that at some point. Chat account is a little bit lower. We made some payments towards our credit card this week. Well, I did for my personal credit card. I have some expenses that are on that for my wedding, but I paid off in full. So I'm getting extra cash back, which is really good. Haven't missed a payment yet. So for a fridge, it's not really financially safe for you to do. For me, I haven't missed a credit card payment yet. I've collected a lot of money in cash back rewards. And this right here is going to be another example. I still have the cash in my accounts to pay it off in full if I need to, but I don't. So we'll be able to pay it off in full as we go, and then that way we'll get some very good cash back, which we could use for future purchases. Savings, nothing has changed, nothing crazy there. We have the high yield, again, nothing has changed there because that's paid out monthly for interest. Webull account is down a little bit. Some of my Leap options are a little bit lower. Car value is about the same, and the net worth right now is actually down compared to last week. Again, this is one of those things where you're not going to see a green net worth increase every single week. We had the first couple weeks, the first 4 weeks were amazing, and now we're kind of sitting. I don't know what that's doing today, but now we're sitting down in the negatives. We're still up in the year, but we're sitting down a little bit. And what you will see is here is the breakdown. And let me move this over because the screen's a little bit off. And so what you will see is that we are currently down 1.34%, about $2,000 we have lost in the last week. Again, that's expected to happen. We are still up in the net worth overall. We started with 126 in the year and we're up at 130. So we're still up in the green overall, which again is what I care about. But it's the reality that you're going to face with these kind of markets here. Again, as you will see, the individual crypto one took a big hit, a little over $1,000 there. Again, the 43B was actually up, which is really nice. The high yield was up like $30 or the health and savings up about $30 or so. You see my checking account goes down here because of my credit card payment that went through. And, the managed and the Roth also went down a little bit as well. So again, about $2,000 down this week. Not the end of the world. I'm not really concerned. I'm not really too panicky about it just yet. And again, we'll go into the managed, the Roth, and the individual cryptos on a members only video. So if you're like, Fridge, these numbers are made up, I'm going to show you guys all these numbers here broken down, at least for these 3 portfolios, because the health and savings account is a different login. I don't feel like doing all that. 43B, same thing. Peer-to-peer, same thing. Checking and savings. I can show you guys my managed, my Roth, and my individual, because they're all on Robinhood, so it's easy that way. And again, take a look at the overall net worth. Again, here's some nice little visuals. And you can see, still on an upward trend, just a little bit of a loss here as we go. So we are finishing up this week about down $2,000. Earnings haven't been bad for the stock market, but Wall Street wasn't happy with it. We're going to have, at the time of recording this, tomorrow morning, the new Fed chair will be announced by the president and the administration. So that's going to create some volatility, I feel, in the markets as well. And we'll be ready to go whenever we need to. So just a quick updated video. I know these videos are a little bit shorter, so I do deeply apologize, but I'm just trying to get videos out and still bring the content to you guys. But man, this illness is, I don't know what it is. I can't figure it out. So shorter video. Make sure, again, if you want to see the in-depth analysis of those 3 major portfolios, because again, like $84,000 of the 130 is in that account right there, in that Robinhood that you're going to see there. So make sure that if you want to see the video, become a membership. It's like $6 a month. It's 1 Starbucks coffee. You got a video the other night, which was about Bitcoin trivia. So you get more trivia. You get future posts. You get all these really cool features. We're playing a live stream podcast this weekend on Sunday with Ryan, potentially. So that'll be live, and you get face cam interactions and all that kind of stuff there. So feel free to check out the memberships, as all of these amazing people have already been a part of so far. And that is it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're bearing with me on this as I'm battling this illness. Thank you guys so much. If you did make this fun the video, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and as always, turn on those bell notifications for all future uploads. As always, I hope you're making money in the market in some way, shape, or form, and I will see you guys in the next video.